Robert Brown, Integrity Enterprises, your professional remote construction cost estimators. Today, doing a tutorial on the specifications, the CSI divisions, and how we start off a project, particularly a project that is a public works job. Normally will always come with the spec book. So starts off with a table of contents, and as we mentioned before, the CSI divisions, it could be 15 to 50 divisions, and these divisions are breaking the construction project into trades. These are the divisions that will be in this project: procurement, general requirements, existing conditions. If this is a existing project where the building is already there. 6 wood plastics, plastic laminate, solid surface sheets. You can see it's 064119, and these are the numbers. So it starts at 0, as you can see, and they go into the tens of thousands of digits here in order to break down, give themselves enough opportunity to give every trade basically a division. So paint is division 9, but it's 99110 in this project. Now, these numbers, the paint will always be in division 9, but it might be a different number in division 9 on a different project. The numbers, can be randomly chose by a contractor. So, these numbers aren't necessarily always given. Paint is not always 99110. It could be 90000, for example.